Hey folks, today starts Fun Fest and we're kicking it off really big with a downtown street party and a parade, all kinds of stuff going on today. But first you got to dress appropriate, so come down to the Fun Fest store, pick up your t-shirt. We still have concert tickets on sale, so don't forget to take your best friend to see Rick Springfield on Friday night, Huey Lewis and the News on Saturday night, Jeremy Camp on Thursday night. And we want you to know that Fun Fest events go rain or shine. If it's lightning, it'll be delayed. But we'll keep you posted on the FunFest website and the FunFest mobile app. Be sure and download that. Let you know what's going on. And also, just in case you're asking, we like you to keep your pets at home during FunFest. They'll have a better time. They won't be in the crowd. They won't be in the heat. We hope to see you at all of our events this year. And yay, Festus!